Want to incorporate the powerhouse moringa in your diet on a consistent basis? Here are 3 easy moringa recipes that you can start using right away so that you can get all the amazing health benefits that moringa provides. Welcome to our health and wellness family. I am Charlene, and I've been practicing natural and holistic health for over 25 years, and I'm so grateful that I've helped thousands of people over the years to improve their health using healthy foods as natural medicine and natural supplements as needed. Our first recipe is a moringa smoothie. We're gonna start by peeling 1 banana. Add the banana to the blender. Next, we're gonna add some plant-based protein powder, but you can add whatever protein powder you prefer. Next, we're gonna add the star of this recipe, moringa powder. Add about a tablespoon to the blender. Add about a handful of spinach to the blender. Next, add about half can of coconut milk, but you can use whatever milk you prefer. We're also gonna add some yogurt. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. We're also gonna add some vanilla. Add about half or 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is optional. Add a dash of nutmeg. Add more or less water depending on the consistency you want. Just blend. My smoothie consistency is thin because I added about a cup of water. Add less water for a thicker consistency. So tasty and healthy. I added some chia seeds and flax seeds off camera for the omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Now for my favorite way of using moringa powder. We're gonna make a nice warm beverage using only a few ingredients. Moringa has so many amazing benefits. It is high in protein, has lots of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It has anti-inflammatory benefits. It boosts the immune system. It's great for brain health, heart health, and bone health. It helps with blood sugar control, boosts energy. It's great for the skin and hair, and more. You can watch my moringa video with more in-depth details about moringa. So let's start by using about a teaspoon or more of moringa powder. I'm gonna add some antioxidant-rich matcha powder to this recipe. Add about a teaspoon of matcha powder. 2 powerhouse foods. Add some warm or hot water to the mug. Use your bamboo whisk to mix evenly. Next, we're gonna add a dash of monk fruit sweetener. Add some organic coconut milk. You can use as much as you like, or whatever milk you prefer. Stir to combine everything evenly. This is so healthy and it's so quick and easy to make. This is optional. You can add a dash of nutmeg. Nutmeg provides anti-inflammatory benefits. It helps with digestive health. It helps to improve your mood. It helps with pain relief and much more. So healthy and tasty. You can have a healthy warm beverage within minutes. I'm sharing. Now for our third and final moringa recipe. A warm, comforting drink. Let's start by using a beautiful mug. Next, we're going to add some moringa powder. Add about a teaspoon to the mug. Next, we're going to add some warm or hot water. Using a whisk, stir to combine everything evenly. Add a dash of monk fruit sweetener or whatever natural sweetener you prefer. Stir to combine everything evenly. Next, we're going to add about 1/3 of a lemon. I have tried this recipe with or without lemon juice. The lemon juice gives this warm beverage a nice flavor. Stir to combine everything evenly. Add a dash of ginger for its anti-inflammatory benefits and also for digestive comfort, and it just intensifies and enhances the flavor of this drink. Add as much as you like. So there you have it, 3 easy and healthy moringa recipes. Enjoy! To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.